Hello, I'm Robert Brownstein with Gnarled Helix LLC, and here's a dev update for Open Sourcerer. First off, we've grown the team significantly with 9 of our team members. The breakdown is 4 engineers, including myself, 3 pixel artists, 2 concept artists, and a writer. With this team, we've been able to establish a strong pipeline from concepting to pixel art to engineering, and we have a lot to show for it. First off, let's talk about the spell system. The spell system, which I have spoken briefly about before, is composed of a JS interpreter instance running in a web worker that executes user-provided code. The code is first transpiled to ES5 from ES6 with Babel. Then we inject its AST into the interpreter, adding functions such as require to the global scope. The require function is special. Like many spell dependencies, it triggers the execution of native code. In this case, code that resolves a named spell dependency or user-created spell. Spell dependencies themselves also follow this pattern, and we've created a seamless automatic binding layer that exposes annotated properties and methods to the interpreted runtime with safe data validation in place. When a spell module needs to act on the game world, an RPC is sent to the main thread where a module-specific RPC handler mutates the playable game world as desired, then sends a reply RPC back to the spell worker. In this way, we ensure that both the game and the spell runtime can continue running with minimal lag. Let's also talk about the rendering system. Early on in development, I open sourced a package called 3ASprite, which enabled ASprite exports to be rendered in 3JS. While this worked well, exports created this way required 2 separate files, a PNG sprite sheet and a JSON manifest with many duplicated fields and a large file size. I thought we could do better, so I've open sourced a library called Protosprite to solve this. Protosprite repacks and compresses sprite assets into an internal sheet and stores information about the sprite's frames, animations, and layers internally in a compact binary format. The resulting file size is improved, and we're proud to have published it as an open source NPM module for your use. In the interest of time, that's all I'd like to go over today. Stay tuned for the next update.